To help you in selecting the ideal camera for your needs, we will examine the top 4 mirrorless cameras for beginners in 2024.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Sony Alpha A6100. One very good entry-level option for people starting out in photography is the Sony Alpha A6100. With its strong 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, this mirrorless camera produces impressively detailed and colorful photos. It boasts an advanced 425 phase detection autofocus system, which makes it possible to focus quickly and precisely, a crucial feature for capturing brief moments. The A6100's 3-inch tilting touchscreen adds even more versatility, making it simple to navigate and compose creative shots. Videographers will also be drawn to this camera's 4K video capacity, which offers incredible resolution for budding filmmakers. The A6100 also performs well in fast-paced settings, providing continuous shooting at up to 11 frames per second, which is ideal for action photos and dynamic scenarios. With built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, connectivity is simple, making sharing and remote control simple. The Sony Alpha 6100 is an impressive tool for novices who want to learn the wide potential of photography and videography without feeling overwhelmed because of its small size without sacrificing performance. On number 2, we have Canon EOS R10. When it comes to mirrorless photography, EOS R10 is a great option for those who are new to the Canon brand. Its main part is a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, which is different from the full-frame sensor that was previously discussed. Its purpose is to take amazing pictures with accuracy and clarity. With 651 autofocus points that span almost the whole frame, the EOS R10's state-of-the-art dual-pixel CMOS f2 system guarantees that subjects remain sharply focused regardless of movement or position within the frame. This feature is very helpful for novices who are developing their ability to capture dynamic settings and subjects that move quickly. For individuals who are new to photography, an intuitive UI is essential, and the EOS R10 delivers on this front. Its 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen invites users to explore different perspectives and angles, broadening their creative boundaries in addition to making changes and selections simple. Additionally, emerging videographers may easily create high-quality footage thanks to the camera's capacity to record 4K video at 30 frames per second. Capturing split-second action is made easy with the EOS R10's continuous shooting capability, which can reach up to 15 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and even quicker rates with its silent electronic shutter. On number 3, we have Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC is aimed towards novices who have a sense of style and substance. It combines the charm of retro design with the features of contemporary technology. This camera's 20.9 MP APS-C sensor at its core produces detailed, vibrant photos that catch every nuance. With its 209 phase detection AF points, the ZFC can focus quickly and accurately, even in dynamic situations where subjects are moving quickly. For beginners who want to get better at taking excellent pictures with various settings, this feature is invaluable. Photography enthusiasts will value the ZFC's 3-inch tilting touchscreen, which allows users to experiment with compositions from unusual angles in addition to making navigation and setting changes straightforward. The camera's 4K video recording capability opens up new possibilities for individuals who are interested in videography and makes it easier for them to produce results that are on par with professionals. On number 4, we have Panasonic Lumix G100. With the Panasonic Lumix G100, exploring the vast realms of photography and videography is made possible. This camera, which has a 20.3 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor that guarantees clear, detailed shots, is the perfect partner for anyone just starting out in the creative process. With 49 contrast detection AF points, the G100 stands out from its rivals and excels at precisely focusing on subjects, a critical skill for taking crisp, high-quality pictures. The G100's 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen is one of its best features. It allows photographers to experiment with new compositions and angles while also making the user experience simpler with an intuitive interface. The camera's 4K video recording capabilities add to its versatility by enabling even inexperienced filmmakers to create content that satisfies modern quality requirements. This capability, along with the small size of the camera, makes the Lumix G100 a convenient and lightweight choice for both daily use and travel. So these are some of the best cameras to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.